Jason with Command Fluid Power, and this week I'm talking to you about the best way to increase your spare parts orders: private labeling. Now, I know what you're thinking. Jason, it's expensive, it's difficult. The minimum order quantities are through the roof. But I'm here to tell you that with our vendor partner Stoff, it couldn't be further from the truth. With a low one-time art fee and a minimum order quantity of 100 filters or 50 gauges, it couldn't be more economical to test the waters of private labeling. Plus, you get Command Distribution Group's expertise on pricing so that you're not pricing it so low that you're giving it away, and you're not pricing yourself so high that you're out of the market. When you get ready to start testing the waters of private labeling, give me a call, text, email, whatever you feel most comfortable with, and we'll get you started. Thanks, and have a great week.